It began with hunger, not the kind you feel at lunch, the kind that echoes through empty streets. After war, after silence, Japan, 1945, bombed, broken. But in that rubble, something began to simmer. A broth. Cheap American wheat turned to noodles, pork scraps tossed into boiling water. Salt, fat, heat. A bowl passed from hand to hand under flickering lanterns. It wasn't just food, it was hope. This is the story of a dish born from survival that became a global obsession. From once upon a dish, ramen, the soul in a bowl. Something delicious happened. Ramen didn't start in Japan. Its ancestors came by ship from China in the late 19th century. Wheat noodles, simple broth, sold by Chinese migrants in port cities like Yokohama and Kobe. Back then, it was called shina soba, Chinese noodles. Tasty but foreign. But everything changed after World War II. With rice in shortage and US wheat flooding the market, Japan leaned into noodles. Thousands of unlicensed vendors popped up, selling hot, filling bowls in the cold night air. The broth thickened, the toppings grew bolder, and the name changed. Ramen took root. Not just a loan from China anymore, this was Japan's own soul food now. Then came 1958. A man named Momofuku Ando created the first instant ramen. In 5 minutes, anyone could have a hot meal. By the 70s, ramen was a cultural force. Salarymen slurping at midnight counters. College students living on cup noodles. But ramen never stayed still. In Sapporo, they added miso. In Fukuoka, pork bones boiled for 12 hours made tonkotsu magic. In Tokyo, soy-based broths ruled. Ramen became regional, personal, fierce. Today, there are over 30,000 ramen shops in Japan. And outside Japan? Ramen bars in New York, Paris, Seoul, Nairobi. Michelin-star chefs crafting $20 bowls. Anime making ramen a pop culture icon. Ramen went from street stall to spotlight. It's not just the broth or the noodles, it's balance, depth, soul. Every bowl is a conversation between heat and comfort, between time and taste. It can be rich and creamy, or clear and clean, topped with pork belly, soft egg, bamboo, or nothing at all. It's fast food with slow values. A dish that forgives what's missing and celebrates what's left. In a world that keeps moving faster, ramen reminds us of something slower, that the best things come from what we already have, that a little salt, some bones, and time can turn struggle into comfort. That food can be memory, resilience, and joy, all in one steaming bowl. Now it's your turn. Tell us in the comments, what's your favorite ramen recipe? Is it instant, gourmet, spicy, homemade? We'd love to hear what's in your bowl. Thanks for watching Once Upon a Dish. Something delicious happened.
Bon appétit!